Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Nerdwallet app works, what features it offers, and whether it's worth using to manage your finances and credit score. The Nerdwallet app is designed as a personal finance assistant, giving users access to a wide range of tools like credit score tracking, budgeting, and financial recommendations. Once you create an account, you can link your bank accounts, credit cards, and loans to get a full snapshot of your finances. The app automatically categorizes your transactions and shows your spending patterns, helping you understand where your money goes each month. One of the core features is free credit score monitoring. It uses your TransUnion VantageScore and updates weekly, so you can track changes and see the factors influencing your score, such as payment history and credit usage. Nerdwallet also offers personalized tips to improve your credit health over time. Another benefit is that the app alerts you to any changes or suspicious activity on your credit report, which adds a layer of security. The app includes a net worth tracker as well, where it calculates the total value of your assets minus your liabilities, giving you a real-time view of your financial standing. For those looking to save or invest, Nerdwallet provides tailored suggestions for credit cards, savings accounts, loans, and insurance based on your profile. These recommendations are not just random ads, they're based on your actual financial data and goals, making them more relevant and useful. Nerdwallet also has educational articles and calculators that help you understand everything from mortgage rates to retirement savings. These resources are integrated into the app and easy to navigate. However, while the app is very informative and easy to use, it does have limitations. Some users may find the suggestions too focused on partner offers, and it doesn't support automatic bill pay or full investment tracking like some competitors. Overall, the Nerdwallet app is a great option for anyone looking to improve their financial literacy and keep tabs on their credit score and spending habits. It's especially useful if you want a clear, data-driven overview of your finances without having to manually manage everything. It's free to use, and while it doesn't replace a full budgeting or investment tool, it works well as a supportive app in your personal finance setup. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.